Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Through this video, I will make a new necklace design and show you step by step how you can make this necklace if you want. One request at the beginning of the video, please watch the video till the end. I hope you like this video. First we took 8 pieces 6 mm pearls, making it a small flower. We took 10 mm crystal for the middle of this flower. For this necklace design, I will make a total of 11 small flowers like this. To add a flower with another flower, we will use 2 pieces of 6 mm pearls. Again, in the same way, we will add another flower in the middle with 2 pieces of 6 mm pearls. Using again 2 pieces of 6 mm pearls will be used to add one more flower. In this way, we will continue to add the remaining flowers. Here you can see the process carefully. Now we will increase the chain on the other side of the necklace. In the same process, see again, we have 2 pieces 6 mm pearls, I will add the flower on the side chain. I am showing you this necklace design by making very small 11 flowers in a very simple process. Hope everyone can make this design very easily by themselves. If there is any difficulty in understand the video, please comment and I will try to help by replying. And please comment how do you like this design and like it. Please support our jewelry channel DiyArtiePie by subscribing. Complete it to add total 11 flowers, then take total 16 pieces 6 mm pearls to make one side chain of the necklace. I have used as I made the chain on one side. I will make it on the other side using 16 pieces 6 mm pearls in the same process. Then I added jump ring. Then add tassel. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to watch this whole video.